What up, YouTube? I've been a little quiet. Went to see a movie last week, Jumanji, and so kind of haven't really had a chance to open up any. So this week, or today, I get to open 5 spots on my Funko Marvel Advent Calendar. All right, so yeah, let's get to it. So let's recap again. Got Iron Man, Captain America, Red Hulk, Thor, Black Suit Spider-Man, Loki, Venom, Daredevil, Black Widow, Miles Morales Spider-Man, Doctor Strange. All right, so let's do this. Go. Got the Black Panther. So nice. Okay. I'm gonna change it up, make this a little easier since I have 5. So I'm gonna open them from this angle and I'll just show them to the camera. So it's not no found footage type video. Thanos. Look at that. That's crazy. He's gonna end everybody. Alright. 14. We got Spider-Gwen. Nice, nice. Okay. Number 15, we got Captain Marvel with the mohawk. That's dope. Alright, and today's number 16, we got Punisher, Frank Castle. Nice. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Oh, these are all really cool. I can't wait to put these on display. Alright, thank you. See you tomorrow.